We're now live from downtown Mill Bay, and we haven't been actually been doing class for a whole 30 minutes or something. Hi, Katie. Okay, so we have check if it's multivalent. Platinum, in fact, is multivalent in the right spot. Determine the ratio. We have 1 platinum, and we have 2 sulfurs. Note the charge in the negative, so we always have to go here, and it's -2, which means the whole thing is -4. So for our platinum, must be +4, and we go to platinum sulfide. We also can do it via reverse crisscross. We can go PTS2, bring them up, and we get PT plus 2, S minus 1, and we go, that's wrong. That has to be -2, which means we have to double it. If we double the one, we have to double both. It's like an equation. Then it's +4. So reverse crisscross works just as well if you know what you're doing. We now have binary ionic compounds. Now, in both of these cases, you knew you were going to get Roman numerals, but I did have that check if it's multivalent. Not all of these are multivalent. Some of them, potassium chloride, has no Roman numerals. Some of them do have Roman numerals. I've included ones you may not be familiar with because you probably don't encounter radium all that often. So go through, write the formula for the first 5 and the name for the second 5. When we do a quiz on this, it might be on this. This is Kia again. I can give you this if you want lots of practice because you need practice because it just used entered in, and I I have 54,000 questions on naming. 54,000. It pulls randomly. They're different. Every metal with every type of non-metal and polyatomic ion. I made it in a spreadsheet. I felt so cool. These are teacher cool things. Well, no, actually, socials teachers would probably make fun of us. But math teachers would be impressed. Yes?
I haven't been emailed my Kia login.
Yes, you have.
I have.
It went to your spam or it went to your trash.
Yeah, it's like
Everybody got it. And everybody eventually figured it out. Yep. You may. So, just working these 10 questions. I'll come around, offer help, suggestion, and then, I don't know, maybe I'll make you all go to the board. Maybe, hold on, how many people do we have in class? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I could give 1 per person, because I could make a custom quiz right now. So we'll go over these, but I'll make a custom. Yeah, there we go.
What's molybdenum?
it's
Of course you know, Jaden. Molybdenum.
it's like you can put it in a metal and makes it like way stronger.
Yeah, but where is
Like it's an additive. What's the
1,
symbol
2,
molecule?
3,
What's the
4,
symbol
5,
for
6, 7,
molybdenum?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Nemo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Huh?
1, 2, 3,
Huh?
4, 5.
So it's muckle
I
too.
can't add. 1, 2, 3,
What do you
4,
mean?
5.
I don't see how to
Plus
do
4 is 9, 10, 11, 12,
I think
13.
so. I don't know.
It is
I
the
did
top.
that.
So, binary ion compounds.
Why are you so far ahead?
What's the point of it?
So
Enjoy
if I-
your life and
if-
bro, that's what I'm telling him.
What do you
bro.
call it? If I finish all this and I can just chill, like sleep.
Yeah, but or you can just chill and then you can finish.
No,
all
you
the
don't
way.
have to. You start studying like world politics or something.
What?
Or
I
that.
just look at Twitter.
That's crazy.
Where?
You looked at what? Twitter?
Huh?
What?
What is radio?
Look at Twitter. Actually,
Um,
isn't it X?
15. We need an odd number. Formula is name. Let's go with 8 of those. 7 of those. And randomize the question order. Yes. Do you have to ask?
Do I?
Do you?
We just walk out.
You just walk out. As long as you're going to be back in a reasonable amount of time. It always seems weird. 2 page view. Okay, now we need to get a little smaller. Yes. So excited. Grab a pen, find a whiteboard, and write your number where you're going to work. I'm going to give you a random question. You can use one of these whiteboards. There's a couple around. And if you want to work at the back, I think there's a couple at the front. We can go here. There's one there. Just go in the room.
Wait, how far?
Whiteboards. Now, if you want to work in partners with your questions each, that's totally fine. You can consult other people. Does everybody know their number? Okay. This is your question. You may have to walk up and read it. Number 1 through 15. Make sure you just write your number large so that I can see it when I go around. And then when you're done, you can sit back down, continue working on the worksheet. And I'll go around and just double check them.
I couldn't see my number.
Oh, you can start page 2 of the multiple.
Which FR?
Good.
Wait, what number? What number?
Oh, bring me to your question.
Wait, I don't.
Oh, 1 second. Yes. Your number. Where's the?
Oh, Francium. Francium.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. The group number. you
That's
were-
just radio.
Ah, perfect. Okay. So. There you go. It's not radio. Okay. And yes. That's wrong.
15.
Is that right? So,
It should be.
no.
Yes, sir.
You're doing what everybody does under your hall.
Oh, wait.
I don't know what the
Where's
grade
this?
is.
What are you doing?
Oh, that's a good answer.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Yeah,
one of the
yeah,
ways-
that's right.
one of the ways to do it is when you have something like this, plus 2 and 4. How many? Well, you want
You're not
to end up
making
being neutral, so this, you be a, so one thing that people learn is that you can take those. You can literally say A plus 2, CL minus 1, and you can crisscross, just get rid of the signs, and go B, A, CL, yeah, because you can then uncrisscross.
You already got it. You just you literally gave it to him.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, I have like
You mean you didn't memorize your number?
Yeah.
Totally disappointed. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, now you want to see your question.
Nice. titanium 3 iodide. That's TiI.
Phosphide.
It's not the order.
No, not the ore. Some of them don't include a symbol, so it's phosphide. Another one that's like that is. Does that process? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I said that
I probably missed it. I know.
Okay, keep working. I'm going to check them all. Because I cheated and I have the answers. Okay. Let me see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6. 6 is incorrect. 3 is incorrect. What do we got? No more. Oh, 9. 9 is correct. And 8. Ooh, 8 is incorrect. 5 is correct. 2
Bro, they didn't give me
is correct.
all the atomics.
7 iron 2 quartz. Good. Titanium 4 phosphide for 13. Yep. 1 sodium arsenide. I'm pretty sure Na38. That's good. Yeah. Sodium arsenide. Where's 14 and 11 is CRI3. Yep. That's good. What number you have there?
15.
15.
Yeah.
K2. Yep. That's good. Where's number 4?
Here. Me, I got it.
No. RAS2?
No, RUS.
RUS2. For 4? Yep, that's good. My glasses aren't the distance glasses today, so. Who's got number 10?
Is that the answers? Oh, that's the answers.
Did I miss it?
It's right there. Like, it's like up the top of the board. It's ginormous.
Oh, ginormous letters. 10.
Why did you have to write it? Oh wait, that's the way. I was looking at the wrong thing.
Yeah, 10 is incorrect. And who's got 14? Where's 14? Oh, here. 14 is incorrect. Okay. Now, some of you
12.
may have gotten yours right because you didn't get the other examples. So I want everybody to go through as we go through all of them. So 14. This is an excellent start, like half marks if you could. What did they forget to do? Simplify. So ionics always have, so P, it's like a fraction. If you have 2 over 4, it goes to 1 out of 2. So it's actually PTO2. So that means we now have corrected 14. So it was a good start. 13.
Oh, here it is.
9, 3. Oh, 3. Radium 2 phosphide. Where's radium on your periodic table?
Like earth metals.
No, it's not in the non-metals.
It says
It's in the
earth.
metals.
It's
Which
in
column is it in?
The yellow one, the earth.
Alkaline earth is in the second column, so you don't need Roman numerals. So don't use Roman numerals for everything. You do have to check. Is it in the first 2 columns? Is it aluminum, silver, or zinc? That was for number 3. Where is, I should have marked it right on the thing. 6. Oh, same one. Aluminum is one of our exceptions. Aluminum, zinc, and silver are not in the first 2 columns, but they also don't need Roman numerals. So that is corrected. 10. In the giant letters, they just read it wrong. So, hold it. If you were doing the iridium one, is there an iridium one? There isn't an iridium one. But there is a problem with this name. What's the problem with that name as a class? Why we wouldn't say arsenic for a second name, we'd say arsenide. So don't forget, if it's just a plain old element, the second one becomes I. So we'll say that that's correct now, because whatever one you were doing, and iridium would need Roman numerals. Arsenide, I think, is -2. So if you were working from a formula, I'm working backwards. I'm assuming that you would be RR2AS3 is what you started off as. And 8. There we go. Oh, 8. On this one, this would have been titanium IV phosphide. Right? And then what they did is they took that and they put it in there. But is that the number of atoms? No, it's the charge. So we have titanium +4, and then you have to look up phosphorus. On your periodic table, what's the charge in phosphorus? Phosphide. -3. And that's how you get titanium 3 phosphide Ti3P4. And I think now we've corrected this.
Which one's 12? You can mark anything on 12.
12?
I got
Oh, didn't mark, where is 12?
Here. Yeah.
Francium oxide. And that's good. FR2. Yep, no Roman numerals in francium, and you didn't put them in. Okay, good. Now, I corrected a bunch. I corrected enough. I feel we should do that again. So, continue working. Give me 2 seconds. Moha. Moha, moha. A brand new version. 54,000 questions. I could print a quiz for every student in the school, and none of them would be identical.
Do that.
Do that every 10 times though.
Charlie, you have to look more excited. That's like really cool for a teacher.
Are we
There
the
we
same-
go.
Same groups?
Pardon?
Same group number?
I'll say same group numbers because it's less confusing, and the questions are random anyway. I'll just put it up in a second.
CAAS.
Quiz
Calcium.
2. Save.
Calcium. Is this calcium plus?
Open up. And I want 2 pages. Haha! Erase your old one. You have a new number, a new question, same number. You may consult with others.
They're both, I mean, T is probably better.
Yeah, T is better.
What's OS?
Antony.
S2.
How do I know which number? Is it the same numbers?
Yeah.
Same numbers. Same numbers. I figured it would be less confusing.
Manganese 3, phosphide.
Alright. 1 second.
Manganese 3,
Right? So nitrite is -3.
Positive 5. So if I need 2 coppers.
No, what does the 2 mean? Copper. The charge of 2. There you go. No, that's why when I'm doing this, because I don't know how that gets built in grade 9. I'm just gonna blame the people up there. Meta. Meta.
I'm hoping it's nitrogen.
it would be
CR, yeah.
SB.
Don't bang. Who's what banging on the window? No.
SB.
Suje.
I actually don't know what this is.
What? What question?
15?
You got 50.
It'd be SD.
I already mentioned the new Meta Alone program
SDBR
last year.
5, would it not?
Oh,
Because this is the charge of 5, this is the charge of negative 1. That's right.
Like, honestly, Meta is not bad compared to grade 9, but grade 11, you start like getting onto your own
You do what you want to do. Yeah, that's what I like to do.
of Meta actually
So you're gonna do really well on this. Oh, what's your?
Stevie?
Also, by the way, if you feel free. If you have an alphabetical order. So if it's GT, it might start with a B. You can just go here and look for L and then.
Oh, so close.
78.
Yo. Hit the 7, hit the 7, hit the 7.
Okay, so it is.
Okay,
I'm crazy.
I'd impress.
Well, what time is this class take?
Well,
No.
Yeah. That's not everyone.
Actually, out.
12, but Monday to Wednesday.
Oh, sad.
You have a watch?
So this
On the quiz. Bring it to the quiz. So, reminder, I made the worksheet due today or yesterday. You don't have to hand it in today. I take it in on the day of the quiz because I want you to study. I posted all the answers. I posted the answers to the first section of the nomenclature.
Okay.
You can now do at least the second page of the nomenclature.
What's the
So
mango?
start on that.
What's the
Like
And-
the packet of like.
If you would like, we are going to have another one. You know when you memorize the elements?
Yeah.
We're going to memorize the polyatomic ion.
Oh, right.
So if you want to get started on that, I'm going to give you
Why
some
is there data on it?
but if you're like,
What is
no,
it
no,
called? I don't know what those are.
You know
what's a polyatomic ion?
You know, like ammonia and like carbonate.
Oh, just like NH4. Sometimes they
Extending highs. We did it in meta.
you send me an email. But there was no dad jokes in your email.
Yeah, they gave us a sheet in meta.
You gotta send me one before.
You still have
before
that
the time.
sheet?
English and
Well, I mean, the dad jokes.
Also on your data booklet, there's the same sheet.
That's what
Okay.
Oh, I think the deadline, I don't know, it's like an email. I think the deadline might have been. Or something.
What did I get?
Well, I did. Yeah, because they can't have emails all week.
I got proficient. I got.
But you'll have to check the email.
You know how Miss? Remember we tried to cross grade. Remember when Miss Reynolds she said, don't make it fancy, just make it one sentence.